welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and right now it is Sagittarius season. Sagittariuses are fire signs ruled by the planet Jupiter. They are independent, assertive, optimistic, and adventurous. They may sometimes come off as arrogant or blunt, but they are also very caring of others and have a high emotional intelligence. Today's potion is called the Jasmine Archer, and as fall transitions into winter, this is the time to retreat into the mind, to reflect on our philosophies, beliefs, and purpose in life. Think of it as prepping for the new year. Now that we're in the final months of this year, what type of new ideas and inspiration can be found for the next? Tell me, what goals did you achieve this year? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about them. Anyway, without further ado, let's craft the Jasmine Archer. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 1.5 ounces of jasmine gin, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half tablespoon of Grand Marnier or dry curacao, 1 tablespoon of Jasmine-Cinnamon Honey Syrup, 2 ounces of Prosecco, and a slice of lemon for garnish. Alright, so first, grab a cocktail shaker. Add gin, lemon juice, Grand Marnier, and Jasmine-Cinnamon Syrup. Add ice, and shake until it's cold. Double strain into your preferred glass. And top with Prosecco. Lastly, garnish with a lemon slice. And ta-da! The Jasmine Archer is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, harness the energies of sea jasper. This stone promotes joy as well as positive thought patterns. Hold this stone as you sip your potion to aid in deep self-awareness and positive perspective. Taste test time! Alright, so let's see what this fancy cocktail tastes like. Cheers! I gotta say, this one has a very unique flavor. And that's not a good or a bad thing, it's just I can't really tell what flavor it is, even though I know exactly what's in here, which doesn't make any sense. I guess the first flavor I get is lemon, but it's not a very strong lemon either. It's more of the acidity and slight bitterness of the lemon, or that could be the Prosecco. And you get a hint of floral from the jasmine, but it also doesn't really taste like jasmine, so that's also a bit confusing. And then you also get the kind of woodsy spice of the cinnamon, but also doesn't taste like cinnamon. So lemon, cinnamon, and jasmine combined together make some interesting flavors. It's definitely a flavor combination that I have not tried before. This is so different, and you can say that it is like new ideas and inspiration. So yeah, I would say this potion works. I feel like this drink is telling me that I can stick with what I know, but I can also try new things, and I don't have to worry if I get them right or wrong, because in the end of the day, you learn something new, and that's what matters. I don't know about you, but personally, every end of the year, I like to write up new goals for the next year. And I try to limit myself to 3 goals, just because anything more than that, and I tend to get overwhelmed. And it's more likely that I don't get anything done. depending on what type of goals they are, sometimes I can only manage to even get 1 or 2 done. So if my goals are important, then I would forward anything that I haven't finished to the next year. There are even instances where I changed my goals halfway through the year because I guess they either didn't apply to me anymore or I found something else that I wanted to work on more, and I feel like that's totally fine because people change, right? And I don't think you should force yourself to do anything that you're not actually motivated to do only because you wrote it out in the beginning of the year. So my final conclusion for this drink, it is interesting. Okay, no, it's creative. It is different. I would say it's not my favorite, but I feel like there's potential here. And it may not be my preferred flavors, but I can see some people really enjoying this. Maybe you'll like it because you're a Sagittarius. It's still a nice fruity cocktail with a lot of depth to it, so definitely worth giving a try. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that your inspirational journey is a pleasant one. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And like and subscribe for more awesome potions. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!